Okay, so stages that show up in the population growth curve. It's a predictable pattern that the population show. And we have a lag phase, an exponential growth phase, a stationary phase, and a death phase. The lag phase is the cells are not yet multiplying at their maximum rate. It's a flat period where they're adjusting and enlarging. There's very little growth that's showing. The exponential growth phase is a period of maximum growth. They've got adequate nutrients. The environment is favorable to growth, so they're doubling with each generation. Stationary phase, the rate of growth equals the rate of death, and that's because all that growth is depleting the nutrients and the oxygen, and they're also excreting some organic acids and pollutants. So it's a survival mode. The cells stop growing or they grow really slow. The death phase, all these limiting factors, depleted nutrients, depleted oxygen, pollutants, organic acids being excreted, they get worse and greater. And so the cells start dying exponentially and the curve dips downward. So you can see here the lag phase, very little growth. They're adjusting. Exponential, everything's good. Plenty of food, the environment's great, they're doubling every time. Stationary phase, it's leveling off. Cell growth and cell death are happening at an equal rate, and they're just surviving. And then as you get more limiting factors in their environment, we get into this death phase and it drops off. Now, to analyze population growth, you can look at turbidity, which is how cloudy the nutrient culture medium gets. Because as the microbes go in it, grow in it, and their numbers increase, it's going to get cloudier and cloudier and cloudier. That's the turbidity. And you look here in figure A, you see how clear that is, but in figure B, how cloudy, how turbid that is.